So next we're going to talk about poignancy or complexity. Right, so far you've learned that as we age, we tend to experience less negative affect on a daily basis. So less times we feel sad or angry or in a bad mood. However, positive affect we see doesn't really change across age, or in some studies actually increases with age. So on a daily basis, we feel even more happy and joyful and excited and calm as we get older. And in some other studies, we feel about the same positive affect as we do at younger ages. So how does that actually work? Does experiencing more negative emotions on a daily basis necessarily mean that we experience less positive ones? In other words, are they mutually exclusive? If we feel really bad on a day, can we not also feel positive on that same day? Research actually shows that the answer depends on our age. So this next graph is somewhat complex. This was a cross-sectional study, meaning that each participant was only seen once, and they divided the participants into 3 age groups: 18 to 34, 35 to 64, and 65 to 94. And on the y-axis are correlations. So it's a little bit counterintuitive because the lower the number on this graph, like if it was negative 0.45 as it is for the 18 to 34-year-old group, that means the link between negative and positive emotions is stronger. If you're higher on the y-axis, let's say you're around negative 0.25, like the 65 to 94 group, that means that link between positive and negative affect is weaker. Okay, and again, it's a negative number on the y-axis because usually if you experience more positive emotions on a day, then you'll be less likely to experience negative emotions on that day. So if you have like a really great day at Disneyland and it's very exciting and fun, you're not likely to feel sad and depressed on that same day, for example. However, you can see that link is different based on age. For 18 to 34-year-olds, that link is actually very strong or moderately strong, about negative 0.45. So that does mean on the days we go to Disneyland and are happy, we're not very likely to feel upset and negative. But it also means that if we have a very bad day, let's say we get a bad grade on an exam and our boyfriend breaks up with us too, we're not very likely to feel very happy on that day. So the link between positive and negative emotions is moderately linked together, around negative 0.45 for 18 to 34-year-olds. But you can see on the other end for 65 to 94-year-olds, that link is much weaker, around negative 0.25. That means that on the days they feel very, very happy, they might also feel negative emotions too. On the days they feel very sad, they might also feel positive as well. And so that link between positive and negative emotion is weaker for older adults. And the authors of that study thought that reflected poignancy or emotional complexity, where you might, reflect on maybe the passing away of an older friend, or you might miss like a loved one, but at the same time you can enjoy your day and appreciate like the beauty around you, and also feel positive and happy at the same time.